Toddbrook Reservoir, in the High Peak area of Derbyshire. Built in the 1830s, it covers an area of 36 acres and holds up to 1.3 million cubic metres of water. During intense heavy rainfall in 2019, a torrent of water overtopped the reservoir and cascaded down the dam's spillway, causing some of the concrete slabs to wash away. This triggered the evacuation of 1,500 residents from nearby Whaley Bridge, whilst water levels in the reservoir could be brought down to safe levels. Over 600 tonnes of aggregate stone, along with 10,000 sandbags, were dropped by Chinook helicopters to help shore up the dam. In a multi-million-pound remediation scheme led by the Canal River Trust, the failed spillway is being replaced by a new side-channel weir, tumble bay and spillway arrangement. Ivor King has played a significant part in this project, providing design services and the installation of both temporary and permanent steel sheet piling, along with concrete board piling to the works, delivered over a number of phases. A total of 1,000 sheet piles up to 12 metres long have been installed using a combination of leader rig and excavator fitted with vibratory and impact hammers. Sheet piles forming the new spillway chute will divert excess water into the River Goyt via a new side weir and stilling basin to reduce the energy of the flowing water. Meanwhile, 430 concrete bearing piles have been installed to form the base for the new tumble bay, along with another 50 board piles for the construction of turrets either side of the stilling bay. The concrete piles are installed to an average depth of 20 metres using the CFA method. CFA, short for continuous flighted auger, is a board piling technique used to form concrete piles. First, an auger drill with a hollow stem augers a hole to the required depth via a board piling rig. Then concrete grout is pumped under pressure through the stem and into the ground as the auger is being extracted. Finally, steel reinforcement is plunged into the wet concrete before curing occurs. Here in the tumble bay, a central tension bar with double corrosion protection has been installed to resist the uplift forces of the new structure. To allow the deep excavations needed for the tumble bay, a sheet pile cofferdam was installed, along with temporary wailings fabricated at Ivor King's main facilities, although the sheet piles will be integrated into the permanent structure. Ivor King, serving construction and civil engineering since 1974. Whatever your piling project, we're your people.